What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another vlog. As you see, I'm about to get me something to eat just after that workout. Did not record everything that I did when I was working out. There's a lot of people there, to be honest, at the Planet Fitness, but I didn't want nobody saying anything. So at least I got proof that I worked out. You know what I mean? But yeah, I just want to start this vlog off, let y'all know where I'm headed. I'm gonna grab this book real quick, man. So currently I'm in Ohio. I am in Winterville, Ohio. I have to go tomorrow morning. I'm gonna make this quick because I got less than 5 hours before my 10 hours up, so I'm gonna get only a little bit of sleep. But I gotta go to Austinburg, Ohio, which is 2 hours up the road, or 120 miles up the road, to a Save a Lot. I'm not sure if it's gonna be a pickup or it's gonna be a live load. I don't know, but I have to be there by 5 a.m. And then I'm taking that back to the JBS in Plainwell, Michigan, which I've been there twice, but I didn't make a video to that. Now I think about it. So, roll with your boy. I'm gonna hit you up when I get up. I'm about to lock in, do a little bit of studying before I close my eyes. So yeah, roll with your boy. Man, good morning. I gotta redo this intro. I'm sitting there talking to the camera. Didn't even press record. But good morning. It's another day for me. Another video for y'all, man. I'm here in Austinburg, Ohio now. Got up late. Got up like at 4:40 a.m. I set my alarm for 2 a.m. Well, I thought I set my alarm for 2 a.m. Didn't hear no alarm. Got up at 4:40, like, what my phone doing, man? As soon as I got up and I put myself in inspection mode, job calling me like, hey, the load ready. It's ready. I'm like, So now I'm here. Really thought I was recording. Y'all would have heard this lady. She's just really, I want to say aggressive, but she's what's the word? Demanding, or I don't know what she is, man. But hope she's having a good day. She don't look like she's truly having a bad day, but I wish I could have heard it. You might hear it when I go back into it. Let me see. I wouldn't be surprised when I go back in there, if she see this mic on me. You recording me? We do not do that here. But Oh well, bro. We're gonna do it, bro. Just for some content, man. Yeah, man. Walk up in here.
Give me 1 second.
All right.
Okay, is it meat?
Pork?
Pork?
Yeah.
Like 20 cases?
It don't give me the case. It just says pork.
Pork.
Yeah.
Okay, not pork.
Yeah, y'all don't do like PO numbers and nothing like that? Y'all don't go by that?
Well, not normally for pickups.
Yeah.
Excuse me, somebody may have delivered and it's an overage. I'm not.
Yeah.
I'm just a clerk. I just get an email.
Yeah, it's first. Yeah, gotcha.
Call who I'm supposed to call.
Okay. I'll be in the bathroom.
Okay.
They give you a word?
I called them.
No answer.
Just have to wait for that to show up.
All right. Yeah, I got a call. It was like, it's ready. I'm like, all right, I'm coming.
It was an emergency? A meat emergency?
Yeah, right. Got it.
They're both receiving produce at the moment. So.
Okay.
The guy who's here to pick up meat. 43.
It'll be a little while.
So what is? I don't have any paperwork, right? You're just putting him in a door. Does he have paperwork? Do you know? I don't know anything about this.
I got it.
Okay, and this looks like everything came, so I answered everything as if it did. So you're gonna have to either do an adjustment or. Okay.
43, but it'll be a little bit more.
43. It's gonna be a minute.
So when you say 43, like Doc 43?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
just chill out or something, or?
Just chill. Yeah. Let's get your phone number.
What's your reefer set to? It's frozen.
It's not set to nothing. It's turned off to say the gas.
It's frozen.
So what you needed at?
I don't know if they want it frozen or not.
Okay.
Like we froze it because we didn't know you were coming to pick it up that fast.
Oh, they called me
It
like
was a meat emergency, Dennis.
Yeah.
they called me at like 4:40. It was like, hey, it's ready. I'm like, all right, I'm on the way right now. So
It's just one pallet with 20 cases.
okay, yeah, that's cool. I mean, yeah, it's whatever.
Where are you headed?
Plainwell, Michigan.
Yeah, let me find out what temperature
Okay.
they want it at. I don't know if they want it thawed or
Yeah.
frozen still.
Okay.
I'll find out.
All
I'll
right.
get his number.
You ready to truck?
It's down here on the
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
The store is open until 9.
Okay, that's cool. Thank you.
Hopefully.
Yeah.
If you need to get back in and it's locked, just call him.
Call. This is the numbers on it. Okay. Thank you. Man, as y'all can see, man, they don't know what they're doing. But it's all good, man. It's all good. Kind of hungry, but I'm not gonna eat my fast for today. I'll probably eat tonight. Still no haircut, but I ain't gonna lie, your boy feeling good today. I'm really just thankful. I'm grateful to wake up and have another opportunity to be better than I was yesterday. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I'm on a high. Starting my day off right with some positivity. I don't know, man. I just got so much energy. And I really feel like being very productive right now. So as they sit here and take their time trying to figure out whatever they got going on, I'm just gonna chill. I just put my reefer on 0, whatever they ask me to do. I think they're preparing to load me. But yeah, I'm about to get the laptop out. Well, probably not the laptop, the book out, get the reading. I'm trying to get educated, man. so they already sent me a load as soon as I got here. So I made it from here all the way to St. Michael's, Minnesota. It's a 591-mile drive without traffic. Me going all the way to the throttle. That's about a 10-hour drive, almost a 10-hour drive. Yeah, I only got, let me see how many hours I got. I only got 2 hours and 21 minutes, so I'll either drive for an hour 20. I'm really gonna look for the nearest truck stop because it's only 2 o'clock. So yeah, I might be able to get a workout in for real. Yeah, I'm gonna look for the closest truck stop. Try to get knock that 10 hour to at least. Really, if I can do 2 hour drive, that'll be 8 hour drive tomorrow, which leaves me with 3 hours tomorrow if they decide to give me another load. So the goal is really, I just want them to keep giving me a load. That's it. I just want to keep giving me a load right now. I was tired, probably like 2-3 hours ago. I wanted to stop and take a nap, but as soon as I got here, I'm not tired anymore. So I'll probably just go ahead and just move on and roll. So yeah, we're gonna go, man. Yeah, that's all I got, bro. Let me sign. I gotta sign these papers real quick. So yeah, we're gonna roll. Oh snap! Forgot I had to turn these papers in real quick. Definitely about to dip out real quick. And I gotta use the restroom. Oh, how you doing? How you doing?
Hi, what can I do for you?
I guess I'm supposed to turn these in, D? Or maybe one. It's a bill of paper.
What is this?
I don't know. I guess it's supposed to be a bill of paper. It's supposed to be a return or something like that. I guess that's what they call it.
Give me a couple minutes.
All right, do your thing. All right, let's roll, man. We gotta. Dang, I hate that I gotta weigh my truck. How you doing?
Thank you.
Oh, I did good.
Yeah. I need a signature.
Oh,
Please.
Lord.
Otherwise, looks good.
Dang, I thought I had it on point.
You almost had it.
Yeah, I know, right? There you go. No problem. All right. Hopefully y'all can hear me, man. And I don't know if this truck is moving or not. Let me see what you doing, brother. Yeah. You ain't gonna wait on you, brother. You should have your hazard lights on. But anyway, man. So yeah, I checked to see where loves were, and the longest route I could go with my 2 hour and 20 minute that I had to drive. I want to say the places, the location of the loves is Michigan, Indiana. I think that's what they call it. But oh no, not Michigan, Indiana. It's gonna be somewhere in Chicago, Illinois. But because I know how Chicago is, and Indiana, somewhere around that area, that Gary, Chicago area, it's real bad traffic. So I'm going to stop in Michigan. I think it's Michigan, Indiana, or is it? It might be other way around, Indiana, Michigan. I don't know, man. But I'll probably put it down on the screen for y'all. But yeah, I'm gonna stop there for the night. I'll probably get there around like 5, 6 in the morning. I mean, Lord, yeah, probably like 5 or something if I had to guess, because I want to say it's unless the time change, then I'll get there even earlier. Um, but yeah, I'm gonna get there. And as soon as I get there, I'm pretty much gonna get a workout in, man. Get a workout in, take a shower, and get ready to wake up early in the morning. Cause I know, I'll tell y'all when I get there. So, what's up, YouTube? Future Jay Wealthy here, man. I just want to say, if you made it to the end of this video, I just want to say thank you so much. You can do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe. Anything that helped me to boost this channel. I just made it to 10 followers. Let's try to get it to 20. Get what I'm saying? We're gonna start small. I'm going to do, the next video is going to be a continuation of this video. As you guys saw, one from Austinburg, Ohio to Plainwell, Michigan. The next video will be a continuation of me going from Plainwell, Michigan all the way to St. Michael, Minnesota, man. I hope to see you guys there. Love. Peace.